Got the extinguisher, dude.
You get it. Hurry, Dennis. We're gonna wreck Mobin's car. Hey, welcome to Dennis and Dennis.
My name's Dennis.
Today on the channel, we're gonna show you how to make a flamethrower defrost.
So our buddy Mobin is in university and his defroster quit working on his car. He's got really no money and we're gonna show you how we're gonna fix his defroster. Hey Dennis, you want a drink?
Sure.
Oh guys, look. Mobin's calling us right now. We can ask him about his car. Hey Mobin, what's up, buddy?
Hey Dennis, I got some bad news I gotta tell you about.
Hey, can we borrow your car for this weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, thanks. Okay, can you bring it over right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Okay, we'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay. All right, bye. Hey, Mobin.
Hey, Mobin.
How's it going, buddy? You doing good?
Yeah.
You doing good, eh?
Dennis.
Yeah, you want a drink?
Yeah.
Here, have one.
Okay, we don't have much time here, so we don't have time to drive you back home. You're okay to walk home, eh?
Yeah, I guess.
Thanks.
Okay. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
See you later.
Thanks, Mobin. We'll see you later. Okay, Dad, come on. Yeah, come on. Bring her in here. Here. Whoa! Whoa!
Hey guys, so for the first step for the flamethrower defroster, you're just gonna get yourself one of these propane torches. Okay? We're gonna strap this onto the hood right here.
Boom. Actually, get it. We got 4 screws holding it on. Should
Time
be
for
good to
some
go.
race gas.
Oh man, our
Dennis!
Ah, here, I got another one for you. I got another one here.
All right.
You good? Myself too here.
Okay guys, so we got some PV race fuel. We're gonna put her in. You put that on way too tight.
Don't be a sis.
Okay.
Here she goes.
Make
Guys,
there's
make
lots,
sure- yeah, make
so
sure-
Mobin can use this for at least 2 weeks.
Yeah, and make sure it's good premium race gas too. You don't want to get any of that 87 garbage. All right, that's good, Dennis. Now you put your cap back on here. That's good. We'll close the hood and we'll take her out for a test drive. Okay guys, time to test out Mobin's new defroster. Let's see how she works.
What? Yep.
All right, let's see. Move out of the way.
Oh! Stop!
Well guys, it works pretty good. Got the extinguisher,
Okay,
dude.
you get it. Hurry, Dennis. We're gonna wreck Mobin's car. Pop the hood. Boy. Oh man, Mobin's gonna be so mad.
Well, I guess that did not end up turning very good. So I guess our next plan will be getting out the trusty Sparky, I guess, and cutting off all these windshield wipers. Sorry about that, Melvin.
Careful at Melvin's hood.
You know what? Screw the spark. There. That should work better.
All right, let's give this another try.